So we are here in Desaru, here with my missus and Kenji and his missus. So first time here in Desaru. Oh, right now. So we are actually here for a 3 day 2 nights. We're going to do 2 days of kayak fishing here, and we are actually going to lodge at this place called Tuna Maya. Yes lah, like all holidays needs to have a tour. So we have a queen size bed, a single size bed, and a BTS plushie that my wife brought along. What else they have here, man?
His name is Arthur.
So some just TVs and stuff like that. You know, first time in this hotel. Actually, first time at Desaru. Toilet, just basic toilet, you know, and yeah, man, that's pretty much it. And I believe we have a balcony. Actually, we should have a balcony. Oh yeah, we have a balcony. Yes, balcony. So guys, hey, hello Kenji. See, we both had the same. We both had the same reaction at what we wanted to do. So
why? Maybe this is a haunted room.
Privacy.
we can do some night party, bro. So what we're gonna do? What we will do at night is we jump down here. We run.
Matthew, Spider-Man.
Just go from here, there. Then we reach already.
We're adults. We can just walk out the front.
So yeah, man. So guys, just to show you guys, this is the view. Right, the sun is scorching today. It's just down there. So that's the sea we'll be launching out. Apparently there's some coral patches according to the nice guy at the counter. He told us that there are some coral patches down there. So we should be going to try to find for those. Let's see how it goes. So we're finally at a kayak. Kenji is there. Oh, he designated reserved parking for our vehicles, and our kayaks are above. We are actually just about to kind of head off to launch on the first day. So kind of recce know where we're going to go. In terms of the launch site, it's about 1 or 2 minutes drive down, and then we're going to launch out and we see how it goes out there. So we finally kind of gotten our kayaks ready. So we all set up, you know, we are all ready to head out to the ocean. So Kenji here is on his Revo 11, you know. Yes, all decked out. Ooh, wow, look at that, man. The Marine. Ooh, 3D scan.
Yeah, 3D scan, man.
Right. So he mounted this by itself. You know, he decided to put his transducer behind, Yakutek pole. Look at that. Big net. Ultralight rod. I don't know. So yeah, myself, I call me conservative or call me kiasu. I actually had like 4 setups, my usual. My Majorcraft MXX Z2020 for the heavy. And then we have a prototype rod, Hookem and Crusader collaboration rod. Trying that out with the Exsence. And then the Jackson Dynamis for BFS, paired with the SRX BFS. And also the Jackall BPM paired with the SRX DC. So yeah, so I brought out Leos, I brought out Jigs, I brought out Tenyas. I got some really cute Tenyas to show you guys. For guys, if you like to play Tenya and you're like, eh, so cute, right? Crusader Tenya, it's only 10 grams, guys, 10 grams. So we're going to put on some soft plastics on this, start bouncing around the reefs, and hopefully we can catch certain things. Right, so without further ado, let's head out. Alright guys, so we are out on the water finally. Well, we're only just about 20 meters away from shore. There's only like 2.5, 3 meters. That seems to be like the depth around here. So we're not sure. We have the option. We are right smack kind of in the center. We have an option to go to the left, where there's a couple of rock structures on down there to play around that side, or just investigate what these red flags are and stuff like that. But there are a lot of structures below, so let me show you. A lot of small structures and stuff like that. We're gonna do some jigging, see how it goes. Oh, fish on! Yeah, small one. I think so. Hey, my first fish of Desaru, blue high! Sorry? Yeah, first fish! Blue high! Yeah. Oh, oh, dude, they're everywhere, man. Yeah. So guys, one cast, one fish, another blue eyes, yeah. We need to find a bigger one soon though. Yay, number two. Okay, one drop, one fish. So I'm using the, oh, I just had a miss. Oh, I just had another miss. Let it drop down again. Oh, fish on! Oh! What's that? Oh, that was a different color fish. Oh! Oh! Dude, the blue eyes everywhere, man, bro! Well, I think this will be, you know, if you're into RG and stuff, I think you guys will love it here, man. I mean, we're just in it less than 5 minutes. I would say we already had like, how many? I had like 3 and missed 2. Less than 5 minutes, guys. So I'm pretty sure if you guys are into RG, you guys will love this place, man. Oh! What is it? Oh, come on! Why you always here? Do you have any other place to go? Yeah, fish number 4. So guys, for you, I was wondering what jig heads I'm using. I'm actually using the Drag Metal. Okay, Drag Metal cast, slow, 15 grams, paired with the Jackson Dynamis, and I think I'm on a 4 pound. I think I just got it on a drop. Oh man, then on a I have it on a oh, this is a more decent size one. Yeah. Oh wow, bro. 2 for the price of 1. 2 for the price of 1, guys. Check that out. I'm gonna give this a go. The new Crusader 10 gram. I kind of like the gold sparkly thingy, so just gonna give it a go and see how it is. So it comes in 2. Each time you purchase is a pack of 2. Right, 10 grams. So currently I believe it's only the gold sparkle and the one in white with a pink tip. 10 grams. Crusader Tenya. I'm gonna put on this cute little squid. There you go. Yeah, I got a sotong now. Let's see how it goes. Sotong Tenya. See? Let's go, Squiddy. Let's go, Squid. Oh! Squid got on! On the Crusader 10 grams squid. Yes, sir. Aha, you want to eat sotong, right? So, yeah, Crusader 10 grams on the artificial squid. Actually, it's very nice to use this on an ultralight. You? Oh, oh. There you go, another blue hind. Again, the same setup as we saw. Crusader Tenya. Squid. Blue hind. Okay, something different now. The honeycomb grouper. Caught again. On Tenya, 10 gram, Tenya, honeycomb grouper. Oh, 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 please don't poke me. Oh, 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 oh. Don't. Oh, oh. Sooner or later, guys, I'm going to just be damn bored of fishing these guys here. I'll take it as a practice run. It's like one drop, one fish. The whole school Aramuga, man.
Yeah. You like our movie?
No, it's not, sorry, it's the whole school of blue hind. Alright guys, so today will be actually our last day of fishing here at Desaru. We're going to fish to about 1, which gives us about 4 hours of fishing. We're going to allocate about an hour, 1 hour to kind of pack up. It took us actually about an hour and a half yesterday to just pack up our kayaks. Normally it takes us only about half an hour, but because of the sand, man, the sand along the beaches of Desaru are very, very soft. So if you do intend to come here, get balloon wheels, you know, that will definitely help you a lot when you're out fishing here in Desaru. Alright, so based on our knowledge of 1.5 days of fishing, it's not even 2 days yet. No, more right now. Definitely bring an ultralight rod when you're out here at Desaru. Right, coupled with small jigs, you're looking about 10 to 15 gram jigs. Okay, there are a lot of small little reef patch just out of the hotels that you can actually sort out, like for very decent size blue hinds. The biggest one I caught was by far the biggest blue hind I ever caught, even in Singapore and down here. It was definitely bigger than my hands, you know. For those who haven't met me before, you know, on video, people may think that, hey, actually you look quite small, but actually I'm about 179, coming close to 1.8, I guess, right? So I'm actually quite a huge guy in terms of soon to be with as well, right? So it was definitely a big blue hind. You're gonna have a lot of fun here on ultralight or RG stuff, right? The occasional small groupers, you do get them. I caught an orange spotted yesterday, a honeycomb. I lost a decent fish on the other side on my medium light or medium setup. I was on the dual, I think 100 or 120 size lure. I took it, but I think my main line was a bit weak, so it kind of snapped off my main line, and therefore I decided not to, you know, I decided not to bring the rod today lah, because I never kind of prepare spare lines right? So we are slowly making our way off to where we lost a big fish. You know, Kenji's on this mission to kind of achieve to catch the first blue hind of the day, right? So yeah, we see how it goes. Shall we? Oh, fish on! I don't know, is it still on, but I felt it might not be. Oh yes. A huge ass blue hind, man. Huge blue hind. Look at that, man. Huge blue hind. Fantastic. As I just popped Desaru, the blue hind county. Oh, it's a huge blue hind. Caught on the dual release jerkbait 100 DR. I lost one yesterday. A bigger one than this. A bigger fish for sure because of the fight back. Right here, man. Look at the size of the blue hind. Woo, so nice. Yeah, man. 100 size dual jerkbait 100 DR. Right, let's go. Look at that. Oh, why? Why, my friend? Why would you want to take a lure of that size? Come on. Give me a lot of trouble, you know. Oh, fish on? Blue hind, I'm calling it. Oh, is that a Hookem? I don't know, man. I know they're taking the lures, that's all I know. So that's good stuff. Good stuff, man. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hi guys, it comes to the end of our trip to Desaru. Hope you guys enjoyed it so far. So just like to give a shout out to a couple of people, a couple of companies that actually supported us so far. First off, I'd like to thank Nautic Adventure Sports for the wonderful Hobie Outback. Alright, not to forget Marina Skins. So Marina Skins are the ones that actually feed us out with custom wraps for our kayak to personalize it with all our logos and sponsors. Not to mention and not to forget all the guys at Lure Heaven. Thank you so much for the wonderful rods from Feed, the support so far with the lures from Duels and more. Won't be able to do much content without all this awesome stuff. Not forgetting Lowrance from Crusader, for the awesome Tenyas. Do check out for the 10 gram Tenyas. It's coming soon. Alright, you saw a couple of them fishes caught today on the past few days on those Tenyas. So yeah, more information will be known to you guys in a while, where to get them and stuff like that. Pretty awesome stuff. That's the end of the day. That's the end of the trip. So I see you guys soon to the next episode. You'll be able to see us more in other countries fishing, I guess, on our kayaks. So stay tuned guys. Bye bye.